What if you could learn in one day how to wholesale houses and apartment buildings with no cash or credit? Well, now you can get my course-only package that I normally offer at $1,500 for only $495. Please understand that this comes with no coaching. I repeat, no coaching. But if you're like me, when I started, I had no coaching. That's not for everyone, but a lot of people just need the information. As you can see on my YouTube channel, a number of the interviews that I have there, those people just simply watched my videos and never talked to me or had me to coach them through any deals. So again, if you're one of those individuals and you just need the information step by step, you don't want to go through the 350 plus free videos I have on my YouTube channel because it may take 3 months to go through them all and understand them, but this is the option for you. So to access that option right now, simply go to flipmyfirsthouse.com or tap the link in the comments or description sections of this particular video. Thanks, and we will see you on the flip side.
Flip man, it's the flip man. You want some money in your hand? Flipping houses without credit or your cash. Get that bag.